coach's sport or something. It's part of the issue. So here we go. We got sum, product to sum, and sum to product formulas. You will not use these again until you possibly get to calculus, calculus 2, somewhere in that range. But I want you to see 1 day of exposure to them so you know what to do. Extremely useful because sine times cosine is very difficult to do in calculus. If we want to do the integral of sine of x times the cosine of x, very tough to do. But what I can do is I can change it to a sum, and then it becomes very easy to do. So if you want to look at this sheet, you're gonna have this out. I need everybody to look at it. Sum to product, product to sum. This is where we live right now. Everybody got that spot? You all there? All right, sum to product, product to sum. So we'll see if you guys can follow along with that sheet. For the answer. Okay, so can you tell me what sine of A times cosine of B, what formula that works out to? 1/2 times cosine of A minus B plus cosine of A plus B. All right, that's good. Is it not right? You guys are looking at the formula. Tell me what I got. It's sine. A plus B. Okay. Are we good now? So I'm just trusting that you guys looked at the right formula. I'll check it out. We got sine times cosine. So I'm going to look here at the formula. Sine times cosine right there. Okay, looks like we got two sines. We got a plus and a minus. Good. All right. So that's our formula. How about sine of A plus sine of B? I want to go from a sum to a product. 2 sine of A plus B over 2 times y'all good with that? Yeah, I y'alled right now. Just y'alled you. Stop laughing. Okay. All right. Now, we could list all 8 of them, but that would just take a lot of time, right? So let's go to work. It says find or write the following products as sums. So I've got a product here, and I'm going to write it as a sum. So I got to find the right formula. Fortunately, we just wrote it down. 1/2 times the sine of A plus B plus the sine of A minus B. Well, in this problem, what's A? 4x. What's B? 2x. So it's written as a product. I could write it as sum by going 1/2 times. What's 4x plus 2x? 6x. Plus sine of 2x. Done. Here's what you could write it like this: 1/2 sine of 6x plus 1/2 sine of 2x. But this is not 1/2 sine of 8x. That's totally illegal. Totally illegal. Can't do it. That's like saying that the sine of 30 plus the sine of 60 is equal to the sine of 90. Sine of 30 is 1/2. Sine of 60 is the root of 3 over 2. And the sine of 90 is 1. That is not true, is it? No, it does not work like that, folks. Does not work like that. Can I tell you something funny quick? All right. Okay. YouTube world is just more one story. So that I is pretty good. So okay, all right. Okay. So let's do formula here. Yeah, you're done. What do you want to do with it? Oh, you're done. Either one of these is fine. So you want to go, so you're going to go sine of 3x plus sine of x then. So what you're saying is that 3 times the sine of 30, what's the sine of 30? 3 times 1/2 is 3/2. But by your rule, you're going to do 3 times 3 is 90, so sine of 90 is 1. Somehow that's the same. Totally illegal. Okay? Let it go. Let it go. What? If you want to write all over 2, that's fine as well. Yep. All right, what do we got? Cosine times cosine. Give me a formula. I just can't write right now. I'm all worried about you guys judging me. Then what? Okay. Sweet. Oh yeah, so I got this 3 out front, so it's 3/2. What's angle A? X minus 2x. Negative x. Oh yeah. All right. Plus cosine of 3x. Now you cannot leave a negative angle. Do you remember what we do when we have cosine of a negative angle? You don't remember this stuff? Oh, boys and girls, right here, you're even odd identities. Remember, sine of a negative, you put the negative out front. Tangent of a negative, negative goes up front. But if you get secant or cosine, the negative just goes away. Okay, so we're just going to make it go away. It's gone. Done. That's it. I get it, but if I gave you a calculus problem, you'd be screaming if I gave you the other one. You know, if I gave you the integral of this, you wouldn't know how to do it. If I gave you the integral of that, you'd know how to do it. It's as simple as that. Okay? All right. Write the following sums as products. Need a formula. Other grouping now. So we're going from a sum now to a product. So what do you got? Sine minus sine. What do you got? 2 cosine of A plus B over 2 times all right. What's A plus B? 4x divided by 2. So I got 2 cosine of 2x times sine of, what's A minus B? 2x divided by 2. It's a mic drop, but without the mic. All right, that's done. Yep, I could. It'd break. That's all there is to it. Here's what people do. They make a mistake. They write this 2 cosine. They forget the x. They just write 2 cosine of 2 times sine of 1. Remember, you have x's in there, so don't do that. That's totally illegal. Okay? Somebody give me cosine minus cosine. What do I got? Negative 2 times sine of A plus B over 2. What's A plus B? So I've got 11x over 2 5x over 2. That's it. So my guess is that you're going to like example 3 better because we come out with a nice number. All right? So 3 sine of 105 times sine of 15. Do you have a way to find the exact value of sine of 105 degrees? Yeah, you can use your sum formula, right? Like 45 and 60. And you can do 60 minus 45. But maybe it would be easier if we actually used our product to sum and sum to product formulas. For example, if you look at this product here, and we go back here, you know, you like these products, you end up with an A plus B and an A minus B. Well, A plus B is 120 and A minus B is 90. Those are kind of nice numbers, aren't they? So can somebody tell me how sine times sine changes? So maybe this will give us a nice result. I can multiply by 3, so I got 3 halves times the cosine of what's A minus B? 90. I got A plus B, 120. -1/2. Booyah. Change it to 75, not 45. B. Rodden tells me I got the formula right there. So -2 times the sine of A plus B divided by 2 times the sine of A minus B divided by 2. All right, A plus B divided by 2. A minus B divided by 2. Exact value sine of 45. Sine of 30. Half, the 2 and the 1/2 go away, -√2 over 2. All right, not too bad. So I reduced your assignment from last year. And last year I covered yesterday's lesson and today's lesson on the same day. So I'm trying to take it easier on you, trying to back off. I know you guys are busy, but everybody's busy, right? So here we go. 7.3, page 557, numbers 35 through 45, the odd. That way you can check your answers. And 47 through 50. Again, you don't want to skip these problems, and everybody should be able to do them. And you got a good 10 minutes, 12 minutes. You can ask me questions on anything else at this time. Good luck. Oh, picture. Do you want me to stand? Do you want a picture with me or without me? Okay. Anybody want a picture with me? Okay. All right.